What's good, YouTube? This is Double Level Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Today I want to show you a little proof video on Infinity Processor System and how I had earned $300 in this opportunity in this platform what I use to market my business. So I'm gonna go back here and show you here in the back office, the blueprint that can get you to help you deliver your opportunity on social media. And this helped me out tremendously over a course of time. It's a lot of things that I did not know in the beginning when I started marketing. Some of the tactics that you can use to be able to get exposure and get more eyeballs to your opportunity. So I'm gonna go back here and show you, the different types of features that you can get with IPS. So once I go back here in my back office, you can see all of this. This is a blueprint that can help you online marketers promote your opportunities to the masses. So look, right here they got create your automatic funnels. They can create your automatic funnels for you. What to say when people ask for information. Winning mindsets, art of persuasion. See, you have 200 pre-written ads and 60 bonus image ads. That's very powerful. You have how, this is just give you information on how you can upgrade in case you come in at the lower levels. In case you want to switch up, because, this site helps you set up your website. It has a 7-day action plan. This is give you a little behind the scenes on what tasks to do on a daily basis. You have your Facebook marketing strategy. And it got, how you can purchase traffic. So if you're looking for any type of paid traffic, here's a area where you could come to here in the back office, and they'll direct you to some traffic sources that you can use so you could be able to get that paid traffic, to get that, get them leads coming in very fast. Got the Craigslist marketing, the Instagram marketing. My favorite right here is the YouTube automation. Getting your, teach you how to structure your videos, how to get them ranked, and how to get them set up for show you the keywords and things you need to know. And this is automate your business with a 6-figure system. So it's tons of training in the back office, that you could really use. And that's how I was able to earn my first, $300 sale. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna show you proof that not just me is getting good results, but others that's in the group also getting good results. As you can see right here, this is, once you get started with the IPS, you can become into the proof group where you can be able to see other people who's getting results as well. Every day people joining up. As you can see right here, this is my sponsor, James Farmer. You know what I'm saying? And James Farmer, he coached me on a lot of things that I needed to know to market. And look at him, he brought in someone. Hey, IPS team, help me welcome Kenya Reyes to the group. Check out the testimonials. You know what I'm saying? He's bringing people on. People's bringing leads on, so you can see what people doing. This is my homeboy Vernon, which had joined up with me last night. See, he said to me, I knew the first time I met you that you was going to be the one who gave me a leg up. As soon as I'm in the position to do so, I'm going to reach behind me and pull up anyone who is struggling, as I did, and help them get to the top of the mountain. Thanks. You know what I'm saying? So overall, you got to be duplicatable. Duplicate yourself. When you teaching others, and they learning from you, and you teaching them the right ropes, they pay attention to that. And as you keep on being consistent, people is going to see how they're going to see you grow. They're going to see what much you mature, because they want to learn something that they can be able to do too. You know what I mean? If you simplify everything and, be transparent, and you will sort out the right audience. You know what I mean? So overall, if you want to, if you struggling online and you need help to know how to market, IPS, Infinity Processor System, is for you. And if you like to get started with me in IPS so you could be able to earn those $300 commissions, cash flow coming in, the link in the description will be below. If you have any questions or concerns, leave your comments below. I also have, you can reach me on Facebook if you have any questions to get started. You want to know a little more info, you know what I'm saying? You know, I'm here for you. I'm here for my people. I'm here to teach. I'm here to train. You know, unlike most people, most sponsors that don't be around, you know, I'm here. I'm available. So, you know, if you don't have no doubts, this is not a scam. This is real. I just showed you proof that, you know, I'm earning, I'm winning, and you also can win too. And I want to help you get there. All right. So that's it for this video. Just wanted to hop on the camera to show you proof that this system does work. And, you know, link in the description will be below. Make sure you click that link. Like and subscribe to the channel if this video done some good to you. And reach out to me. You know what I mean? Reach out to me. So that's it for now. This is Double Up with Astro. I'll see you guys in the next video.